They're in Price Mart, Jamaica. Kingston off Valentine Garden Drive. Flew all the way to Jamaica to do this lovely delivery and retail videos for you. This morning we're doing a retail video telling you how expensive the cost of living is to have children. We have here the 168 pack, size 3 diaper, 10G. This is almost 70 US dollars. We ship diapers all the time. While diapers is cheap to ship, the wipes are a little bit more expensive to ship because they have water fluid in them. So we encourage that you buy your wipes locally, ship your diapers. Definitely ship your diapers. Because what you're doing is paying someone to ship it here, paying them to store it and warehouse it, and then paying the premium for it. If you have a box of diaper that you ever want to ship, let us know. Reach out to us. We will tell you what it costs to ship it. Huggies is a good brand. You know, it's very expensive to have children in it. We're going to make up words. Words are expensive to have children in Jamaica when you're paying 10G for a pack of diaper.